Oh hey guys, did you hear the Double Chalupa box at Taco Bell is back for a limited time, starting on October 17th and running through November 23rd, when you get the $5 Double Chalupa box that comes with a crunchy taco, cinnamon twist, and a medium drink. You'll have a chance to win an exclusive Xbox One X Eclipse bundle, one for every 10 minutes for 38 days. What's inside? I'm about to open up this exclusive Xbox bundle right now in this unboxing presented by Taco Bell. The limited edition Xbox One X Eclipse is the world's most powerful console. It unlocks so many entertainment experiences like 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray, 4K video streaming, and of course great games like Gears 5 and over 100 more games through Xbox Game Pass. We have the Elite Controller Series 2. This controller won't be available to the masses until November 4th. That means you have the opportunity to win it before you can even buy it. We have the Game Pass card. They included 6 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate in the bundle, which means you get all the benefits of Xbox Live Gold, plus over 100 high-quality console and PC games. We get the actual console itself. I love this design. Look at the unique silver to black fade design. Winning it from the Taco Bell and Xbox giveaway is the only way to get it. I could hear that sound all day. So now let's check out the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2. Some cool features of the Elite Series 2 include the wraparound rubberized grip, new interchangeable thumbsticks, and paddle shapes, adjustable tension thumbsticks for precision control, a rechargeable battery with up to 40 hours of battery life, shorter hair trigger locks to fire faster than ever, a charging dock and USB-C cable for charging inside or outside the case, and of course, Bluetooth support. This thing is packed with magic and wrapped up in one convenient little bundle, you know, kind of like a $5 Double Chalupa box. Order and enjoy your $5 Double Chalupa box either in-store on TacoBell.com or on the Taco Bell app, and follow the instructions on the side of the box for a chance to win. Learn more at TacoBell.com/Xbox.